Did you just get engaged and you have no idea how to go about planning your wedding? Have you been planning your wedding for a while and you're just about to start getting frustrated and overwhelmed? If you said yes to any of these questions, then I have something super special just for you. Hi, I'm Claudia Chan. First of all, I would like to say congratulations on your engagement. This is such an exciting milestone for you. You have found the love of your life and you have finally said yes. But I also know how frustrating and stressful this period can be. Back in 2015, my then fiance and I were planning our wedding. I remember feeling super stressed out because we spent so long on the internet trying to gather all the information together. I also remember meeting with vendors and thinking, have we asked all the right questions? Also, there were a few times that we were caught off guard for things like hidden fees that we knew nothing about. So I get you. Now that I'm in the wedding industry, I thought, wouldn't it be great if someone put together a special package just for me? Well, here it is. This is your fairy tale wedding show. It's where I bring together top experts within the wedding industry just for you. It's like going to a bridal show, but instead of you going from vendor to vendor, they're all coming to you. So in this video series, you're going to learn more about our experts themselves, the services that they offer, and some of the insider tips to help you plan a stress-free, glamorous, and unforgettable wedding. And best of all, it is free. So RSVP now to get your front row seat with our wedding expert. It will only take about 10 seconds to RSVP. So don't miss out on this chance.